What's up, guys? Welcome to the official Pay to Earn YouTube channel, and we're going to be showing you, is Pay to Earn actually legit? And honestly, there's going to be no better place to find out if Pay to Earn is legit than from the actual people who create the channel themselves. But if you're interested in more content like this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as well as joining our official Pay to Earn Discord for free giveaways, as well as for exclusive offers, as well as making sure to sign up for Pay to Earn with the link in the description down below, because we actually give 100% of your survey earnings compared to a site like Freecash. So if that sounds interesting, you're definitely going to make sure to check out Pay to Earn. And with that all being said, we're just going to jump right into it. So a lot of people have been asking whether or not Pay to Earn is actually legit. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you through our back, and I'm actually going to be showing you how our payout system works exactly, so you can be 100% confident that Pay to Earn is actually legit, as well as showing off payment proof near the end of the video. If you guys don't know, on Pay to Earn, you actually get 100% of your survey's worth, which means that you will literally be making twice or maybe even 3 times as much from each survey relative to a site like Freecash or any other survey site that you can find. So if I go ahead and sign into Pay to Earn, you can see that if we go to the Earn section and we go down to the Best Offer section, you can see right here that you could literally make up to $3 from filling out this survey right now. That isn't going to take you no more than 5 minutes, which means that Pay to Earn literally has the potential of being a $60 per hour side hustle for you guys to get started today. And the best part about Pay to Earn is that we do many different kinds of cash outs. For example, we do PayPal, we do Cash App, we do Xbox gift cards, we do Robux, and we even do Discord Nitro. And we're currently working on adding Steam games as well as CSGO and Valorant skins. So there is no better time than to get on Pay to Earn right now and start building up your point balance. So guys, if you're curious on how Pay to Earn works, this is actually our backend panel. And if you go into our users withdrawal section, you can see that there is right now currently 3 different pending cash out requests. And for this one right here, we have already paid out this guy $5 from PayPal. So if I go ahead and open my PayPal account, you can see that this guy got paid out right here, and you can see that right here we've actually paid him out his $5. And if you guys go ahead and sign up with Pay to Earn today, as you can see right here, this is actual verified payment proof that we do actually do official payouts on Pay to Earn. But with that all being said, I hope you guys now have the confidence to go in and sign up for Pay to Earn right now today. And if this video was at all interesting or engaging, and if you have some comments, make sure to leave them down in the description down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope that you have a good day.